Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel Learn Tech with Ashish, and today's we are gonna continue our series for date time function. And today's function we have date name. Okay, so what is exactly a date name? It is a function which return a character string for the date part. Okay, I will tell you that, and this function available on all the SQL servers. So this is the syntax. We have date name date, so here you can give the date part and here you can give the date. So the date name, if I open here, and you can see that as it's a simple function. So select date name and the date part is something that is like year or month or day, like that. This is the part of a date. So you can write like a dd, and then the get date, today's date I am giving, as we have already discussed that we have the get date returns for today's date. Okay, now if I run this, so this will return me the date, the today's date. Okay, the day part. Okay, if I go with month, okay, see it is returning June, so current month it is returning. If I go with a year, so I will get like 2020, and it is returning string. Okay, another function we have, guys, date part. Okay, so if I open a Microsoft documentation, here you can see that this function returns in integer representation of specific date part. Okay, the date part, the same syntax we have for the same function, and date part is something like I have already told you that the date part. Okay, and this is the date part. Here inside this is not the function, this date part is displaying that you are looking for a month or a day or year, like that you can do the same way. It accept date. Okay, and if you run this function, you can see that it's 6 months. Okay, if I go with year, the same way we are getting 2020, but guys, this is integer, but when I go with date name, it returns me string. Okay, so this is how the difference between these two functions. We have other three functions like day, year and month, that also we can see in our documentation of Microsoft. So see, I will start with the day. So day is a function which is returning your day in integer. Okay, so what it does, this is a syntax we have, day, and it accepts days. Okay, the date function it accepts. So select. Okay, now here we have and this. Okay, so this higher date we have. Now if I want to find what is the day when the people got hired, so what we can give here, hire date. Okay, so if I run this or execute this query, see we are getting it 17 to 23, like that. If I want same way, like if I want only month, I don't want the day, so what I can do, I can directly write month here and I can run this query. So see, this is returning. I can give the alias name. Alias name is something that See guys, so this is how date, month and year also in the same way we can write. So this is year, this is month and this is day. In the same way we can use other function which is date name and date part also. Same, if I copy the function, copy the syntax here and keep here, okay. I'll go with month because okay. See guys, I am getting like December, February, January, like that. So in this way we can define our function and we can use this date name or date part in our SQL queries. We can use see guys, the same way we are getting for these functions. According to our situation, we use these all the functions based on our situation or based on our queries. So thank you guys for watching. Please share and subscribe.